Okay, friends, this class is going to be really important because in this class, we're going to learn something that can save all your hard work from going to waste. So this video is going to be very, very short, but what I'm going to tell you in this video is extremely important, so please pay close attention. Let's get started. We've already selected our project beforehand. I clicked on the record button, everything is already set, and the project has loaded. Wait, what just happened? I had written so many commands here already. We had even made the search board to a great extent, but now nothing is showing up here. Where did all the comments go? Friends, this situation could happen to you too. Your hard work could go down the drain if you don't know about this video and this method. Yes, friends, Studio can save you from such a big problem and keep your hard work from being wasted because Bridge Studio regularly takes backups. You might forget to take a backup, but the special thing about Brajar Mission is that it keeps backing up your work. And where will you find the backup of your project? I'll show you that in this video. So let's get started, friends. So first of all, we'll go to our device, which is your computer, your Windows device. There, you need to go to the C drive, select Users, and then choose your user, whichever is your default user. After that, you need to type App Data. App Data is hidden by default, but if you type it here, you'll be able to access it. Then go to Roaming, and then you'll find your Pro Jardo Mission Studio folder here. You'll see a folder named Project K. Yes, friends, this is a very important folder. Double-click on it, and now you'll see a lot of dates here. There are a lot of dates here, and I've created a lot of projects, so that's why. The folders are created by date, so today, the folder we have is current. I'm currently double-checking to make sure that every single one of the command blocks I created are outputting correctly. They're on the site and I can't see them at all. Maybe they've been deleted. So the next day I went to the folder I created the previous day and here it's backed up according to the time. So I don't really know, but I take the last backup I made, the one I took last time, this will also be one. So I just pick one of these, the last one, and copy it. Then I go to the place where I saved my backup. I head over to the location of the specific spot for our class project, and right here I just paste the information into the document. Okay, now I'll close this because there's a problem with this project. Now the new project I have, I'll rename it. It's simple. This one isn't useful to me anymore, so I'll remove it. From here, I'll rename it to whatever name I had given my project. Behold, now I'll go ahead and open this one from here. And now, hopefully, in this class project, the data and command blocks we created will be available to us. Okay, as soon as our project opens, you can see the blocks and commands we made. Thank God. To take regular backups, your project automatically saves a backup every 5 minutes. Alright, let's get started now. So friends, this way you can protect your hard work. Accidents can happen anytime, like your system shutting down unexpectedly. Anything can happen, right? But at least you'll have some backup in your hands. If not from the last 5 minutes, you'll at least get the backup from the 5 minutes before that. So definitely remember this method. Thank you. See you next time.